Hi friends, welcome to our channel Crack You RRB SSC Banking Exam. In today's video, we will be discussing the notification which is released for IBPS PO examination. In this video, we will be discussing all the important dates, participating bank, age, that is eligibility criteria, age, qualification, the application fee, exam pattern, what is the negative marking, what is the interview marks, vacancies, and what are the item permitted. This is a new section added where it is sanitizer, gloves, mask are important. So we will be discussing it. So let's go. What is the tentative schedule for the event? Why it is tentative? Because as the pandemic is going on, the exam dates may vary. So let's take a look. Online registration is from 5th to 26th August 2020, whereas even the payment of application must be done between these time, that is 15th to 26th August 2020. You can download the call letter for PET, that is pre-exam training, in September 2020, whereas the PET will be conducted from 21st September to 26th September 2020. The call letter for prelims will be available from October 2020, the date is not given, and the prelims exam will be on 3rd, 10th and 11th of October 2020. And the next important date for us is online examination, that is mains, will be on 28th 11 2020, and the interview will be on January February 2021. So for now, the important that you must note is application form. It is from 5th to 26th August 2020. For application form will be between these dates, that is 5th to 26th August. Online exam is of prelim exam is 3rd October, 10th October and 11th October 2020. So we net have 2 months and you can prepare for your prelims exam. Now after this schedule, let's see what is the participating organization. So participating organization are Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank, Indian Overseas Bank, UCO Bank, Bank of India, Central Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, Union Bank of India, Bank of Maharashtra, Indian Bank and Punjab and Sindh Bank. After participating organization, let's see what is the eligibility criteria. The first criteria is you must be a citizen of India or a subject of Nepal, Bhutan and the neighboring countries. Now let's see the age. So for this examination, the minimum age should be 20 years, whereas the maximum age should be 30 years. That is, a candidate must have been born not earlier than 2nd August 1990 and not later than 1st August 2000, including both the dates. So what are the relaxation of ages? So if you belong to ST/SC, the relaxation is 5 year. 5 year means for them the maximum age is not 30 but it is 35. Similarly for OBC non-creamy layer, it's 3 years. For person with disability, it's 10 years. For ex-servicemen and others, it's 5 year. And person affected by 1984 riots, it's 5 year. And what is the education qualification? The education qualification must be simple graduation. There is no marks limit, that whether it's 50% plus, whether it's 60% plus. It is just you must have passed your graduation before 26th August 2020. That is the last day of form filling. So after this, let's see what is the application fee. So the application fee for SC, ST and PWD, that is physically handicapped candidate, it's rupees 175, whereas for all others it is rupees 850. Now let's see what is the pattern of examination for prelims. So for prelims exam, we have English language, quantitative aptitude, reasoning ability. In English language, we get 30 questions carrying 30 marks and the time allotted is 20 minutes. Similarly, in quantitative aptitude and reasoning ability, we get 35 questions each carrying 35 marks each and the time allotted is 20 minutes each. So these 20 minutes is sectional time. So now in total we have 100 questions carrying 100 marks and the time allotted is 60 minutes. And what is the negative marking? For each wrong answer, 1/4 will be deducted, that is 0.25 will be deducted from the total score. and there is no negative marking for unattempted question, that is left unattempted. We Crack You provide free mock test for IBPS PO exams. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You IBPS PO free mock test. Click on the first link and start the mock. After completing the test, you get the complete detailed analysis with solution and percentile. So for mains exam, we have reasoning and computer aptitude, which has 45 questions carrying 60 marks and the time allotted is 60 minutes. General economy and banking awareness, 40 questions carrying 40 marks and the time allotted is 35 minutes. We have English language with 35 questions carrying 40 marks and time allotted is 40 minutes. We have data analysis and interpretation with 35 questions carrying 60 marks and the time allotted is 45 minutes. So in total we have 155 questions carrying 200 marks and the time allotted is 3 hours. We also have a subjective paper, that is English language, in which letter writing and essay comes, and it has 2 questions carrying 25 marks and the time allotted is 30 minutes for this. So let's see, in interview the total marks is 100. The minimum qualifying marks in interview will not be less than 40% and 35% for ST/SC OBC and physically disabled candidates. And what is the weightage of mains and interview in the total marks? So when the total marks is calculated, the weightage ratio of mains and interview is 80:20. That is 80% will be from mains paper and 20% will be from the interview. Let's see what is the total vacancy. So total vacancy this year is 1167, that is 1167. Here are the list of banks providing vacancies in respective section. So for now, the only important thing to know is the vacancy is 1167. As the vacancies are less, the cutoff may go high, and that totally depends on the paper and the difficulty level, but yet. So now after this, let's focus on items permitted into the venue for candidates. So this year, the items that are permitted into the venue for candidates are mask, that is wearing a mask is compulsory. As you know, this is the time of COVID-19 pandemic. Gloves is compulsory. Personal transparent water bottle. Remember, it's personal transparent water bottle. Personal hand sanitizer, that is of 50 ml. A simple pen. Exam related documents like call letter, that is admit card, ID card in original photocopy, and etc. Candidates should not share any of their personal belonging with anyone else, and Arogya Setu app installed in the candidate's phone is must with a safe status. And if you don't have a smartphone, then you must have a declaration signed, and there will be a temperature check for each and every candidate with a thermogun at the entry point of the examination hall, and the temperature must be 99.4 degree Fahrenheit. So with this, hope you liked it, and if you did, please like, share and comment. And we also provide all the previous year paper of SSC exams and even banking exams like IBPS, SBI, and with description, and the link is given in the description box below. Till then, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.